Welcome to the Exam Sale channel, where we dive into the world of IT certifications and help you succeed in your career. Today, we're going to break down the syllabus of the Dell Specialist Implementation Engineer (SE) Series exam. This exam is designed to validate the skills and knowledge of implementation engineers working with Dell SE Series storage solutions. The exam is divided into 7 domains, each with its own set of topics and weight. PowerScale configuration is the largest domain, covering 27% of the exam. It focuses on core software configuration and feature implementation. Next is PowerScale data protection and layout, which makes up 15% of the exam and focuses on reliability, data availability, and storage efficiency. PowerScale installation is the third domain, worth 13% of the exam, and covers physical deployment and initial node setup. The remaining domains are PowerScale networking, 13%, PowerScale hardware, 12%, PowerScale post-installation, 10%, and PowerScale troubleshooting, 10%. Let's start with the PowerScale configuration domain. In this section, you'll learn how to set up and configure your PowerScale storage solution, including initializing the cluster, configuring Smart Connect, and implementing storage quotas and performance management. Key topics include 1FS cluster initialization, Smart Connect client connection balancing, and storage quotas and performance management using smart quotas and smart pools. In the PowerScale data protection and layout domain, you'll study data protection levels, including Reed-Solomon erasure coding principles and N+M protection schemes and overhead. You'll also learn about snapshots and replication, including snapshot IQ creation and scheduling, and sync IQ replication policies. Other important topics include mirroring versus parity protection, write intent logs and data persistence, and flex protect job operations. Next up is PowerScale installation. In this domain, you'll cover site preparation and racking, node initialization and discovery, and the physical deployment and initial node setup of your PowerScale storage solution. Be prepared to answer questions about environmental requirements for PowerScale nodes, chassis and rail kit installation, and physical cabling of front-end and back-end networks. The PowerScale networking domain is also crucial. You'll delve into internal and external connectivity architecture, including subnets and netmasks, IP address ranges for pools, and VLAN tagging, 802.1q configuration. Additionally, you'll learn about internal network architecture, including InfiniBand versus Ethernet backend comparison, and int A and int B network redundancy. In PowerScale hardware, you'll learn about chassis components, node types, and storage media, including identifying F-Series, all-flash, nodes, H-Series, hybrid, nodes, and A-Series, archive, nodes. Other key topics include understanding the chassis leaf design, drive types, NVMe, SSD, SAS, and SATA, and journal and caching drive roles. Moving on to PowerScale post-installation, you'll cover the final steps after installing your PowerScale storage solution, including validating the cluster, activating support, and handing off the system to users. Be prepared to answer questions about running the IBI, ISIL build image check, performing a cluster health assessment, and verifying licensing activation. Lastly, PowerScale troubleshooting is a critical domain. Here, you'll study issue identification and log analysis, including collecting and analyzing logs, understanding 1FS event logs, CLog, and reviewing system logs. You'll also learn about basic connectivity testing, using IC gather info for log collection, and analyzing IC status command output. With this detailed breakdown of the exam syllabus, you're now well equipped to tackle the Dell Specialist Implementation Engineer (SE) Series exam. Remember to focus on the key topics in each domain, practice your hands-on skills, and review your notes regularly. Good luck on your exam day.